Hi guys, it's me Kalim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to solve the problem when Dell Wi-Fi not working in Windows. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to solve your problem, you go on the start button. Here you go on the settings. So when you go on the settings, here you got the option of network and internet. Click on it. So when you do that, here you just scroll down and at the downside you set this option network reset, click on it and then you reset your network. After resetting your network, you just close this window and then go to control panel. Here you go to network and internet. And when you go to network and internet, here you see this option network and sharing center, go to it. And when you go network and sharing center, here on the left side, you see the option change adapter setting. Click on it. So when you do that, here you see the Wi-Fi which was connected to your device. Here you just do right click on it and then here you go to properties. So when you go to properties, here you see the option internet protocol version. Click on it and then go to properties. After that, here you see the option this use the following DNS service address. You simply mark this option and here you enter your DNS server address. In first one, you enter 1, 1, 1 and 1 and at the downside here you enter 1, 0, 0, 1 and then click on OK. So when you do that, you simply close it and then close this window also and after that restart your PC. And when you restart your PC, your issue will be resolved. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. And if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Topic Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.